How are you going to try it without it?
All right. Can you get it out of there? I mean, you can still do it without taking that off.
Oh, you think?
Yeah. Let's just look at that again, first of all. Does it give us any instruction on how to use it?
No.
All right, look, it says do not wear. Okay. All right, you can pause to read. All right, here we go. Go ahead, put her on. So it goes like
Does
that.
this go
What
up
about your
here?
hair? Got to get your hair out of there. Okay, now this is supposed to go behind your,
Around here?
yeah, turn around. Yeah, now, yeah. And then we got to stick it in that thing there. Just like that. Hang on. I got it. Okay. All right, let's see.
And how do you turn it on?
All right, come over here.
Is there a turn on right there?
Yeah, right here. Let's see. You ready?
Yeah.
Is it going? All
No.
right, hang on. I'm pressing it.
Nope.
All right, how about now?
Nope.
How about now? How about now?
Nope. Nope.
How about now? Now? Now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope.
Now. All right, so
right,
so this thing does not work. All right, that was a bad customer experience. Oh my God, did we plug it in right?
So you turned all these?
Yeah. Press it and see what goes on. Is there anything else that we have?
Oh, you
Oh,
have to
look.
hold it.
Oh, that's it. All right, let's put it back on.
Right. Hey, Tom,
Yeah?
where's Jerry playing Friday for your birthday?
I don't know the name of it, but I put it.
Don't mind us.
Hang on,
Look at this. Look at this hair. This is
Oh.
just so ridiculous. She has like.
You've got a lot of hair.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Got it. All right, let's see.
Does it do anything?
I don't know. Let's see.
This is what I got from my brother. We're trying it out. I saw it was supposed to be pretty good.
Oh, that's good. Look at it. It's squishing pretty good. What do you think? Let's see the front.
I think it's good.
All right, what about, let's try this.
What level is it on?
Don't
It
know.
looks like heat. It can do heat and with other. Turn around and show her what that looks like.
Huh?
So it squeezes like a masseuse.
Nice.
And it had high ratings.
You have to kind of pull
You
it
have to
towards
pull it
your,
toward
yeah,
you.
you have to hold on to it.
Which
Unless
is
you
okay,
do it
right?
tighter.
Let's try doing this one. Did it change?
Yeah.
It's doing different now. So it's going smushy, 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 smush. All right, let's try this.
So
right
what it
there,
really gets is the back, this back of your neck.
which
Which
people
is,
don't realize holds a lot of
yeah.
tension.
Wow, that's really
I'm just trying to
squeezing.
figure out how to get it to, you have to really pull it, tight.
So can you not just tighten the shit out of it so it
You
goes
could, but
around
then it would
around
help.
pieces of foam? That helps if you need it.
All right,
Because the pictures don't show you having to pull that; they show them relaxing their
Yeah.
arms.
what's your
But
assessment?
I like it really strong.
I know.
So
right.
Yeah, you're not weak like the rest of the family
yeah,
who can't handle a massage.
I know. You can't handle.
So we've tried it for a while. What's your assessment?
It's pretty good, actually.
You like it?
Yeah, and I've had a lot of massages, and I've tried a lot of different massagers,
And?
and this is one of them.
Which one of these settings do you like the best? All right, we're on
I
this
like
one.
whatever this one is.
All right, so I'm going to press this one. You tell me what you think. First, I'm going to look at it. All right, what do you think
I
of
like
this?
the one that squeezes the shoulders too,
Okay, let's.
not just the neck.
I'm going to press this one now. You ready? All right. Is that it? That's really squeezing.
Did you try it yet, Tommy?
Nope. This one. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
That one? Mm-hmm. So you like the top one the best. These two things.
Yeah, this is good.
All right. So it feels good.
Yeah.
All right. Wow, look at that. That thing is really squeezing. This might be a viable alternative.
Oh, it's getting this one's.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. All right, let's check out the box. All right, so this is the name of it. It's called Breo Deep Massager. Here's the info on it, and there's a QR code that you can scan. And this is the other side of the box. Nothing really on the bottom. Over here, just the logo. And that's it right there. Bam, done. Yeah. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this thing right here. Look at it. Go at it. Wow. Killer.